Vortex Dual is INFICON's latest refrigerant recovery machine. This next-generation recovery machine provides reliability, durability, and speed when recovering refrigerant. INFICON has manufactured Vortex brand refrigerant recovery machines since 2003. Throughout this evolution, INFICON continues to offer a superior refrigerant recovery machine for the HVAC, refrigeration, and automotive markets. Today, Vortex Dual is equipped with a 1-horsepower dual piston compressor and a micro-channel condenser, making this a fast and powerful refrigerant recovery machine for all AHRI Class 3, 4, and 5 refrigerants, including R22, R410A, and R134A. Vortex Dual is laboratory accurate. During normal refrigerant recovery, when the air temperature is hot, refrigerant temperature and pressure rises, resulting in slower recovery. Vortex Dual's micro-channel condenser provides a superior heat exchange that increases recovery rates in real-world service conditions. That saves time. Vortex Dual is toolbox tough. Vortex Dual comes with a blow-molded exterior with full-size protected gauges. Also includes a carrying shoulder strap, filter dryer, and a detachable 6-foot power cord.